Very good morning, students. So, welcome to EVS online class. So, today in this class, we are going to do exercise part. That is lesson number 9, people who help us. I taught you already now this lesson. You finished already. So, now we are doing exercise part. So, take out your textbooks. So, in the textbook, lesson number 9, see page number 203, 203. I'm showing you 203 exercise part. Fill in the blanks. Okay, take out your textbooks, pencil. Keep ready. So, start writing. Okay, you write only the answers. Okay. So, first one is people in a community. People in a community help each other, help each other to live a dash life. Tell me the answer. You know, no? Yes. People in a community help each other to live a comfortable life. To live a comfortable life. Okay. Next. Comfortable. 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 Okay. Again, I'm telling you COMFORTABLE. Comfortable. Okay. Then come to the second one. A carpenter makes dash and dash and dash. Carpenter, what he will do? Yes, he will do all wooden works, isn't it? Yes. So the carpenter makes, right, doors and windows. All wooden work, chair, table, isn't it, children? So all wooden work he will make. So carpenter makes doors and windows. Doors, DOORS, doors. Windows, WINDOWS, windows. Then come to the third one. A dash fixes the water pipes and taps. Who will fix the water pipe and taps? Yes, they will. He will do the leakage taps. He will replace the leakage taps. Who? Who is that? Yes, that is plumber. PLUMBER. All water pipe works he will do. So the plumber will repair all leakage taps, everything. So come to the fourth one. Dash keeps us safe. Dash keep us keeps us safe. Who will keep us safe? Yes. Correct. Policeman. POLICE. Policeman. Policeman keeps us safe. He catches the thieves. Yes, isn't it, children? So he keeps us safe. Come to the fifth one. Dash delivers letters. Letters and parcels to our house. Who will deliver the letter? Yes, so he will bring parcels, letters, isn't it? That is postman. P-O-S-T, post, M-A-N, man. Postman will bring the letters, parcels, everything. So, sixth one, the dash sweeps the road. The dash sweeps the road. Who keeps road and streets? Yes, that is sweeper. S-W-E-E-P-E-R. Sweeper keeps the road, street clean and neat, isn't it? Then come to the seventh one. The dash treats us. The dash treats us when we are sick. When we are sick. Who will treat us when we are sick? Yes, that is, if you have cold, cough, fever, then who will treat you? Yes, that is doctor. D-O-C-T-O-R. Doctor treats us when we are sick. Then come to the eighth one. A dash grows. A dash grows crops for us. C-R-O-P-S, crops for us. Who will grow crops for us? Yes, who will give food for us? That is farmer. F-A-R-M-E-R. Farmer grows crops for us. So, this is the first mail. Okay, children. So, I will repeat it once. People in a community help each other to live a dash life, to live a comfortable life. C-O-M-F-O-R-T-A-B-L-E, comfortable life. So, without taking other help, we can't lead a comfortable life. Isn't it, children? Yes, we need to live our life happily. So, we need some others' help. That is, we have to live a comfortable life. We have to take a others' help. So, come to the second one. A carpenter makes dash and dash. Carpenter, all wooden work. Who will do? Carpenter. He do all wooden work. So, carpenter makes doors and windows. This is two examples. So, you can write some other also. So, doors, D-O-O-R-S, doors. Windows, W-I-N-D-O-W-S, windows. Next, third one. A dash fixes the water pipe and taps. Who will fixes the water pipe and taps? Who will repair our leaking taps? So that is plumber. Okay, P-L-U-M-B-E-R. Plumber. He will make all that water pipe works. Okay, so that is plumber fixes the water pipe and taps. Come to the fourth one. Dash keeps us safe. Who will keep us safe? That is policeman. P-O-L-I-C-E, police. M-A-N, man. Policeman keeps us safe, and also he will catch us thieves, okay, who has stolen our things. Then we will go and give complaint. To whom? That is policeman. So he keeps us safe also. So policeman keeps us safe. Then come to the fifth one. Dash delivers letters and parcels to our house. Who will delivers the letters and parcel to our house? Somebody, your friends or your relatives they are far away from you. Otherwise they will come. They are in some abroad. So they will send gift to you. That time who will bring to us? So that is postman. So postman delivers all letters, parcels to our houses. P-O-S-T, post, M-A-N, man. So that is postman. Come to the sixth one. The dash sweeps the road. Who sweeps road? So that is sweeper. He keeps our surroundings, isn't it? Every morning, when you woke up early morning, you can see the sweeper sweeping the road, cleaning the road. So he keeps us our surrounding the road, okay, street all. So the sweeper, S-W-E-E-P-E-R, sweeper. Then seventh one, the dash treats us when we are sick. Who will treats us when we are sick? Who will give medicine for us? Yes, that is doctor. If you have cold, cough, fever, then you will go to the doctor. He will give some medicines, isn't children? So he treats the sick people. Who? Doctor. D-O-C-T-O-R. Doctor. Then last one. A dash grows crops for us. Who will grow crops for us? That is farmer. F-A-R-M-E-R, farmer. Not only crops, he also grows fruits, vegetables, isn't children? So every day we are eating. So who will give food for us? That is farmer. F-A-R-M-E-R, farmer. Understood, children? Yes. Finish it once in textbook. Then after this class, take out your rough note and write these all spellings. Comfortable, doors, windows, plumber, policeman, postman, sweeper, doctor, farmer. All these spellings you have to write five times in your rough note, and you have to practice, you have to learn the spellings. Okay, children? So, then come to the second main. Then see the second main, what they given. Name the community helpers in the picture. See, they are given pictures, some pictures here. So you have to identify the pictures and you have to tell who are these. Okay? You have to tell the name. See the pictures first. Carefully you see the pictures and then tell one by one. See the first picture. Who is this? Yes. So he is a farmer. Correct. He is a farmer. Write down. They are given in the dash, no? Farmer. Then come to the second picture. So he treats the people. So he is a, yes, tell me, he is a doctor. D-O-C-T-O-R. Doctor. Then come to the third picture. Yes, he is doing taps work, water pipe works. So that means he is a plumber. Then come to the fourth picture. Who is he is doing wooden work? Yes, that is carpenter. Who is he doing the wooden work? That is carpenter. Yes. Who is she? She is sweeping. Yes. That is, she is a sweeper. Then come to the last one. Yes. Yes, you can tell now. Easily you can identify. See the dress. Yes. Who is he? He is a policeman. Policeman. Okay, children? Yes. Now, see, farmer, doctor, plumber, carpenter, sweeper, policeman. So, these are all. Then come to the third main. So, third main, what they given here? Match the following they given. See, make the community helper with the tools they use. They are giving here tools. You have to identify which tools which people is using. They given here center, people name. Then you have to tell the tools which people they are using. Come to the first one, carpenter. See the picture, the word you see, what they given? Carpenter. Carpenter, carpenter. What he will do? Yes, he cut the wood from this. Yes, from here to here, make a one line. Okay, same here. Then doctor. See what is they are using? Stethoscope. Yes, so doctor using stethoscope here. Then come to the plumber. Plumber, he will do the help of the these material. So he will use these to use the pipes tight, make the pipe tight. Yes, not all pipe water pipe works. So plumber he uses. Then policeman, as usually you know, policeman always using gun. Yes, that is it is right here only. Then teacher, yes, you know, this also you can easily identify that is yes, blackboard. Teachers used to blackboard to write. Then sweeper. This also sweeper used to this one. Yes, to sweep the road, to keep the road clean. They are using this. Okay. So if you have confusion, take your parents' help and do you children. Yes. Then come to the next main. Answer the following. So as usual, don't write in the textbook. Directly go to the classwork. Okay, then it will come in PDF. So they will scan and send to you. So you have to write directly seeing the PDF to classwork directly. Yes, then come to the next main, think about it. So list the community helpers and write a sentence about each one of them. So you have to tell some community helpers and you have to write so about one line about them. You have to write one line. So check down. That is think about it. Okay. This is the heading and this also will go like homework 2 times. Okay. Write the heading what? List the community helpers they don't write this directly, you write. List the community helpers and write sentence about each. So you have to mention some community helpers. First one is, that is, write down doctor. What he will do, you have to write one line. So he treats the sick people. He treats the sick people. Okay. Then come to the second one, postman. So he delivers letters and parcel. He delivers letters and parcel to our house. Then farmer. So he grow crops for us. He grow crops. Crops means ಬೆಳೆಗಳು. Crops for us. Then come to the fourth one. So I'll write here. Fourth one, carpenter. So he makes doors and windows for us. He makes doors and windows for us. Then come to the fifth one, policeman. He keeps us safe. He keeps us safe. And also come to the, this is the first main homework. Then come to your second main, hard words. Write again 5 times. Hard words always you have to write 5 times, children. Yes, that is farmer, doctor, plumber, carpenter, then sweeper, policeman, postman. Okay. Teacher, so This 8 hard words is there. You have to write 5 times. Farmer, F-A-R-M-E-R, farmer. D-O-C-T-O-R, doctor. Plumber, P-L-U-M-B-E-R, plumber. Carpenter, C-A-R-P-E-N-T-E-R, carpenter. Sweeper, S-W-E-E-P-E-R, sweeper. Okay. Then policeman, P-O-L-I-C-E, police, M-A-N, man. Postman, P-O-S-T, post, M-A-N, man, postman. Then teacher, T-E-A-C-H-E-R, teacher. You have to write each word 5 times and you should learn all these spellings. Okay. So we will do next class. We have to take the textbook. So keep ready the semester 2. So this semester 1 it's over. Then next class you have to take another semester 2 here. This is class semester 1 is there, no? You have to take the textbook semester 2. In that plans is there. So first lesson. So keep ready children. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you.